In this video, I will explain how to do a wire transfer from Truist Bank. Whether you need to send money to a friend, a family member, or a business, I will walk you through the steps so you can do this quickly and easily. First, make sure you have a Truist Bank account and that your online banking is set up. If you haven't done that yet, you will need to register on a Truist website or through their mobile app. Now, log in into your Truist account. If you're using a computer, go to the Truist website and enter your username and password. If you're on the mobile app, just open it and sign in. Once you're in, look for the option that says Wire Transfer or Transfers and Payments. This is usually in the main menu or under the payment section. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's details. This includes their full name, their bank's name, their bank's routing number, or SWIFT code if sending internationally, their account number, and then make sure everything is correct, because if there is a mistake, your transfer might not go through. Now enter the amount you want to send and select the account you're sending from. If you're sending an international wire, you might need to choose the currency as well. Before confirming, double check all the details. Truist might also ask you for extra security steps like entering a code to send to your phone or email. Once everything looks good, go ahead and submit the wire transfer. Truist will process it and the money should arrive in the account usually within the same day or a few business days, depending on the type of transfer. If you want to track your transfer, you can check your transaction history in the app or website. And if you run into any issues, you can always contact a Truist customer support for help. That's it. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.